Hello everyone, I am Anupma Gupta, Faculty of ASD Department from Astvakra Institute of Rehabilitation Science and Research. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic of communication problem in children of autism spectrum disorder. What is autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder is a developmental disability that can cause significant social, communication and behavioral challenges. The term spectrum refers to the wide range of symptoms, skills and level of impairment that people with ASD can have. ASD affects people in different ways and can range from mild to severe. How does ASD affect communication? Children with ASD can often self-absorbed and seems to exist in a private world in which they have limited ability to successfully communicate and interact with others. Children with ASD may have difficulty developing language skill and understanding what others say to them. They also often have difficulty communicating non-verbally, such as through hand gesture, eye contact and facial expression. The ability of children with ASD to communicate and use language depend on their intellectual and social development. Some children with ASD may not be able to communicate using speech or language, and some may have very limited speaking skills. Others may have rich vocabularies and be able to talk about specific subjects in great detail. Many have problem with the meaning and rhythm of words and sentences. They also may be unable to understand body, language and the meaning of different vocal tones. Below are some patterns of language use and behavior that are often found in children with ASD. Repetitive or rigid language. Often children with ASD who can speak will say things that have no meaning or that don't relate to the conversation they are having with others. Narrow interest and exceptional abilities. Some children may be able to deliver in-depth monologues about a topic that holds their interest, even though they may not be able to carry on a two-way conversation about the same topic. Others may have musical talent or an advanced ability to count and to math calculation. Uneven language development. Many children with ASD develop some speech and language skill but not to a normal level of ability, and their progress to usually uneven. Some may be able to read words before age 5 but may not comprehend what they have read. They often don't respond to the speech of others and may not respond to their own names. As a result, these children are sometimes mistakenly thought to have a hearing problem. Poor non-verbal conversational skill. Children with ASD are often unable to use gesture such as pointing to an object to give meaning to their speech. They often avoid eye contact, which can make them seem rude, uninterested or inattentive. They may act out their frustration through vocal outbursts or other inappropriate behaviors. How are the speech and language problem of ASD treated? If a doctor suspects a child has ASD or another developmental disability, he or she usually will refer the child to a variety of specialists, including a speech language pathologist, teaching children with ASD to improve their communication skill to essential for helping them reach their full potential. There are many different approaches, but the best treatment program begins early during the preschool years and is tailored to the child's age and interest. It should address both the child's behavior and communication skills and offer regular reinforcement of positive actions. Most children with ASD respond well to highly structured specialized program. Parent or primary caregiver as well as other family members should be involved in the treatment program so that it becomes part of the child's daily life. For some younger children with ASD, improving speech and language skill as a realistic goal of treatment. Children first develop pre-language skills before they begin to use words. These skills include using eye contact, gestures, body movements, imitation, and babbling and other vocalization to help them communicate. For slightly older children with ASD, communication training teach basic speech and language skills such as single word and phrases. Advanced training emphasizes the way language can serve a purpose such as learning to hold a conversation with another person, which include staying on topic and taking turns speaking. Some children with ASD may never develop oral speech and language skill. For these children, the goal may be learning to communicate using gesture such as sign language. For others, the goal may be to communicate by the means of symbol system in which pictures are used to convey thoughts. Symbol system can range from picture board or cards to sophisticated electronic device that generates speech through the use of button to represent common items or actions. So, I hope you understand the topic of communication problem in children of autism spectrum disorder. Thank you very much.